Okay, stop what you're doing. Take a breath and get ready to see beauty in a whole new way. 2025 is not about playing it safe. It's about flipping the script, starting with your eyes. This year, we're rewriting the rules and making bold choices that demand attention. Enter the reverse cat eye, bold, dramatic, and everywhere. It's the look that's taking over runways, social feeds, and city streets, making a statement with every glance. Influencers, makeup artists, and everyday beauty lovers are all obsessed, and it's easy to see why. This trend is about standing out, not blending in. Forget the classic cat eye flick. This trend puts all the drama on your lower lash line. It's a total role reversal, and it's shaking up everything you thought you knew about eye makeup. It's a sharp, smoky line that extends out, giving you a fierce, siren-like gaze. The effect is both mysterious and magnetic, drawing people in with just one look. Play with color, texture, and intensity. This look is all about customization. Whether you want a subtle smudge or a graphic, high-contrast wing, the reverse cat eye lets you express your mood and personality. This look is unapologetically extra, the centerpiece of a new maximalist era in beauty. It's about going big, being bold, and letting your creativity shine. We're done pretending we woke up like this. Now it's about showing off the artistry. Every brushstroke is intentional, every detail a celebration of self-expression. The reverse cat eye reshapes your eyes, channeling a modern Cleopatra with a futuristic twist. It's a nod to ancient glamour, reimagined for today's fearless trendsetters. Pair it with heavy shadow, glitter, and lashes that make a statement. The more dramatic, the better. This is your chance to go all out. This isn't just makeup, it's transformation. It's about stepping into a new version of yourself every time you pick up that liner. In a world where you can be anyone online, why not reinvent yourself in real life too? Your look can be as dynamic and ever-changing as your digital persona. The reverse cat eye is more than a trend, it's a revolution. It's about breaking boundaries, rewriting beauty standards, and celebrating individuality. It's about being seen, being bold, and loving every second of it. When you walk into a room, all eyes are on you, and you wouldn't have it any other way. So are you ready to try the look that's turning heads everywhere? The only limit is your imagination. Let's dive in and see how you can master the reverse cat eye. Grab your brushes, your boldest liner, and let's get creative together. This is the year of maximalism, and your eyes are leading the charge. Let's get into it and make every look unforgettable. Grab your black eyeliner. It's time to get technical. Start by lining your entire lower waterline with a creamy, pigmented pencil. Tightline your upper waterline for extra intensity. Now extend the line from your lower lash straight out or slightly down. This is the signature reverse shape. Connect it to your upper lash line for a sharp triangle at the outer corner. Smudge dark eyeshadow along the lower lash line, blending outwards for a smoky effect. Add shadow to the upper lash line for cohesion. Go big with dramatic false lashes, especially on the outer corners. Finish with a pop of highlighter in the inner corner to brighten the look. And there you have it, the reverse cat eye, bold and flawless. You've just mastered the viral flick. Remember the clean girl era? That time when everyone was obsessed with looking effortlessly fresh, with barely there makeup and a focus on natural beauty? Minimal makeup, dewy skin, and a whisper of color. Everything was subtle, soft, and understated. The goal was to look like you woke up flawless, with just a hint of gloss and glow. But that's over. The tides have turned. Maximalism is here, and it's making a statement. The reverse cat eye is leading the charge, flipping the script on what we thought makeup could be. This look is all about unapologetic drama, full coverage foundation, sharp contour, and features that are bold, defined, and impossible to ignore. Brows are sculpted to perfection, lips are saturated in rich, daring shades, and every detail is dialed up to the max. It's about making every feature pop. After years of playing it safe with minimalism, we're craving something new: creativity, fun, and a sense of adventure. Makeup is becoming a playground again. The reverse cat eye isn't about blending in or looking natural. It's about transformation, about stepping into a new version of yourself every time you pick up a brush. It's a celebration of color, texture, and the pure joy of experimenting with makeup. Think bold pigments, unexpected combinations, and fearless self-expression. Makeup is no longer just for hiding flaws. It's for creating art, for telling your story, and for showing the world exactly who you are. This trend is intentionally bold, a declaration of self-expression, confidence, and individuality. It's about being seen and celebrated. The shift is about freedom. Freedom to play, to create, to experiment, and to be unapologetically yourself in every shade and shape. Maximalism is a rebellion against the ordinary, and the reverse cat eye is its flag, waving high for everyone ready to break the rules. It's night and day from where we were just a year ago, and the energy is electric. There's never been a better time to experiment and express yourself. Makeup is your masterpiece, so go big, go bold, and don't hold back. The only limit is your imagination. In 2025, expression, not perfection, is the new standard. Let your creativity shine. The reverse cat eye is just one part of the unrecognizable makeup movement. This trend is about total transformation, becoming a whole new character with makeup. It's escapism, empowerment, and pure creativity. Techniques like heavy contour, blocked brows, and dramatic eye shapes let you reshape your face entirely. It's not about hiding, it's about celebrating the power of makeup. The process is as fun as the reveal, blending, sculpting, and reinventing yourself. Anyone can play, and every face is a canvas. Identity becomes fluid. You choose who you want to be each day. One day you're you, the next you're a mysterious stranger with killer eyes. It's modern magic, and it's all in your hands. The art of unrecognizable makeup is about creation, not concealment. The reverse cat eye exploded when stars like Zendaya rocked it on the red carpet. Suddenly, edgy was glamorous. Cardi B took it further, pairing bold eyes with wild wigs and fearless fashion. But the real magic happened online. TikTok creators broke down the look, making it accessible for everyone. Transformation videos went viral, inspiring millions to try it themselves. Influencers experimented with colors and techniques, building a global community. You don't need a celebrity makeup artist, just eyeliner and creativity. The trend became a shared experience powered by everyday creators. This is a makeup revolution, one viral video at a time. Ready to try the reverse cat eye? The internet is your classroom. Makeup artists and influencers post step-by-step tutorials on TikTok and YouTube. They break down every detail from primer to lashes, making it easy to follow along. Pro tips, like using tape for sharp wings or fixing mistakes, make the process foolproof. Tutorials are interactive, with creators answering questions and reacting to followers' attempts. The result? A supportive, creative community where anyone can learn. Thanks to these online pros, everyone can become their own makeup artist. Meet Alex, fresh-faced, comfy, and natural. She's the epitome of the girl next door with a radiant smile and a carefree attitude. Her bare face is a canvas, untouched and pure, reflecting her inner simplicity and charm. But today, she's going for transformation. She stands before the mirror, excitement and anticipation dancing in her eyes. The tools of her metamorphosis are laid out, ready to work their magic. Brows become sharp arches, eyes lined and winged with dramatic precision. Each stroke of the brush adds a new layer of intensity, turning her gaze into something powerful and captivating. Smoky shadows and false lashes turn her gaze fierce and mysterious. Her eyes, once soft and gentle, now hold a story of allure and enigma. Foundation erases freckles, contour sculpts new cheekbones and jawlines. The transformation is meticulous, each step carefully crafted to redefine her features. Concealer brightens, lips go bold. The vibrant color on her lips adds a final touch of confidence and flair, making her look both striking and sophisticated. The girl next door is gone. In her place stands a glamorous, powerful persona. The transformation is astonishing, showcasing the duality of her identity. Alex's face is now a work of art, unrecognizable yet still her. The makeup has not just changed her appearance, but has also unveiled a new facet of her personality. The process is mesmerizing. Each step reshapes her features. It's a journey of self-discovery and expression, where every brushstroke tells a part of her story. The final reveal is stunning. A siren stare, supermodel bone structure, and confidence to match. She stands tall, embodying the essence of her transformation. It's not just makeup, it's creativity in action. Each application is a stroke of genius, blending art and beauty seamlessly. The transformation is complete, and Alex owns her new look. She admires herself in the mirror, proud of the bold new identity she has crafted. This is the fun of makeup, becoming someone new, even if just for a night. It's a playful exploration of identity, a chance to step into a different persona. The magic is in the process and the reveal. The journey from barefaced to bold is filled with moments of wonder and creativity. With every brushstroke, she redefines herself. It's a powerful reminder of the transformative power of makeup. That's the power of the reverse cat eye. It's bold, daring, and a testament to the endless possibilities of self-expression. Why are we obsessed with bold makeup? Because it's fun. The reverse cat eye brings playback to beauty, no more strict rules or perfection. It's creative empowerment for everyone, not just pros. Experiment, make mistakes, and enjoy the process. Your look can match your mood, bold one day, whimsical the next. Changing your appearance is a small act of power and self-definition. The transformation is temporary, but the confidence is real. It's about connection, sharing, learning, and celebrating creativity together. The reverse cat eye is more than a look. It's a movement. It's about joy, artistry, and community. Playtime is back, and everyone's invited. The reverse cat eye is more than a fad. It's a cultural shift. Makeup is now about reinvention, storytelling, and artistic joy. Beauty is personal, creative, and fluid. There's no single standard. Whether you go barefaced or full glam, both are beautiful. This trend celebrates skill, confidence, and individuality. Social media has democratized glamour. Anyone can join in. The legacy of the reverse cat eye is bravery, boldness, and creativity. Makeup isn't about hiding, it's about exploring who you can be. So flip the script, draw that wing, and own your runway. The world is watching, make it unforgettable.